Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Explorer. I'm here on the Carnival Jubilee, and I want to give you a quick tour of the Cloud9 Fitness Center located here on Deck 6. Let's go ahead, dive right into it. So the typical hours of operation for the Cloud9 Fitness Center were 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. during our sailing, and this was complimentary to use. So as you come in here, there's some water fountains, and we'll start out here on the left. So there's some lockers and towels if you need them. Some free weights over there. We'll get over there in a moment, but different upper body machines, bench press, that sort of thing. And then the free weight area, so different benches and a fairly large selection of free weights, more upper body, some leg machines, lots of mirrors in here. An air bike in the corner there. And lots of ellipticals. These all look to be the Life Fitness brand. We'll keep going here. And lots of treadmills right down the side here by the window. A couple of arc trainers. More treadmills on this side as well. A couple of recumbent bikes. Curved treadmills, rowing machines, and then tucked around the corner here is a cable machine. Also exercise balls, medicine balls, kettlebells, exercise bikes, and then we'll head up the ramp here. A couple of consultation areas on the right, more water fountains, and then there's a studio here where they can offer classes. Those usually come at an additional fee. There's a little stage there and a whole bunch of spinning bikes. Then across the hall here, another studio where they can offer other classes. And that's about it for the Cloud9 Fitness Center here on the Carnival Jubilee. So I hope this quick gym tour gave you value. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy cruising.